What is going on, everyone? Alessandro here, and welcome to another Bitcoin price analysis. Nothing much is going on, guys, but we're gonna enjoy, of course, this calm before the storm. The Bitcoin is still trading at around $107,000 to $108,000, and while everything is going so nicely here to the sideways, basically, we're gonna have a look also into new upcoming coins, of course, because I have bought right now also a new one with insane API, guys. So if you want to jump on board since day one, then of course make sure to watch this video until the end. And of course, a big reminder, Bitcoin Bull will launch tomorrow, guys. So last chance to get on board. All the links you're gonna find here in the video description to all of those new coins that are upcoming that we're gonna cover in this video. But first of all, Bitcoin is still trading here nicely around $107,000 to $108,000, going sideways, and of course we're waiting for the next big move. No one knows, of course, where we're gonna head to next, but based on the indicators, of course, we can estimate. And right now on the daily time frame, the good thing is that we really keep on with those daily closes above the 20 daily moving average and the median line of the calendar channels. That means that we have the chance here to start a nice uptrend here and potentially even attack the all-time high, currently at around $112,000. And once we break it, of course, to the upside, we could see insane moves to the upside. But until then, Bitcoin most likely will continue to go sideways or eventually even come a bit lower, especially if we would lose here this support at around $106,000. This is currently the main support that we have here in order, of course, to expect a retest of the all-time high or even breakout higher. If we would have a daily close below 106k, then of course the next major target would be down again at around 100k, maybe even come down towards the 200 daily moving average at $95,000. This is, in my opinion, right now what could happening next. Based on the indicators, it's more likely that we will see a move to the upside since money flow is increasing and the daily buy signal is in theory still on track and on play, because we don't have since then any kind of sell signals on the daily time frame. That means that this move will continue until here we are topping out, basically. Also on the 4-hour time frame, we're really just going sideways, guys. So here also nothing much has happened in the last couple of hours. And on the weekly time frame, this is, in my opinion, right now the most concerning time frame, because here we are about to get several sell signals in very overbought condition. That means that at some point we could eventually see a more severe corrective phase or a prolonged corrective phase. But until then, of course, Bitcoin has the chance to deny that, and eventually with this move that we have seen in the last couple of weeks, that we had this correction, that we finally are leaving again this downtrend and enter into like a parabolic run up for Bitcoin. This is, in my opinion, what could happening next on the weekly time frame. But therefore, of course, we want to see weekly closes basically on the highest level ever that Bitcoin had, which is here at $109,200. The highest weekly close was here at $109,000, guys. And if or once Bitcoin is having weekly closes above that, then I think that we're gonna most likely lose this channel here in which we are trapped, and Bitcoin will move within this channel until we break out to the upside or to the downside. Of course, both scenarios are possible until we don't see a clear breakout. And once we break above this last resistance up here, currently it is at around $113,000, $114,000, then I think we're gonna go most likely towards the cycle top of this bull run, which in my opinion is still somewhere at around 200k based on different indicators, but at least somewhere there I'm expecting the cycle top to be in, probably towards the end of this year. And during the summer we're most likely gonna go sideways here or slowly higher and higher here. Remember that also the global M2 money supply is still increasing here. So if we go over into the daily time frame and we pull out that indicator, oh, 1 second, I have to adjust it a little bit here to the Bitcoin chart. Oh, let me see quickly. I have to adjust it a bit like that so it fits into the screen somehow. But anyway, you can see that it's still rising here. And if we're moving according to the global M2 money supply, then we should of course expect Bitcoin over time to head higher as long as more and more money is basically printed and coming into the markets. So of course, most of it probably will also float like into AI and a lot of stocks that has to do with AI. We have seen also there a big trend of during the last couple of months, maybe 1 or 2 years. But never forget that Bitcoin can really surprise, and suddenly when Bitcoin is exploding, it goes very, very fast. And most of the times the biggest money is made like within a few weeks here during a crypto bull run. And I think we're still in the middle of one, and that's why of course it makes sense to keep your cryptos DCA every now and then, and just hold on to your altcoins, to Bitcoin, and also if you have already a nice crypto portfolio and you want to play around with new stuff here in the crypto space, that's why I'm also buying into new crypto projects as well, just to try out new stuff here in the crypto world. And we have a bunch of new coins that are just launching, and of course that are just getting started. One of them is Bitcoin Bull, guys. If you want to check it out, the BTC Bull token is right here. And this one is launching, or at least the pre-market phase is over tomorrow. So the last chance to get on board. I bought also into this one here with staking, because I believe that if Bitcoin will go towards 200k and higher levels, this coin also has great upside potential, because it's going to burn more and more of their own tokens. And with every step that Bitcoin is going higher, they're also going to do a Bitcoin airdrop. So it's going to be nice to hold those tokens to basically earn more tokens in form of Bitcoin, and therefore also have those staking rewards, and also they're gonna burn more tokens. That makes it more scarce and so on, and that's why I bought also into this one. And another one that I just bought, guys, yesterday was Snacky Way. I just have discovered it and I quickly bought it with my notebook, so I didn't have time to do a video yet. But look at this Snacky Way is a completely new meme coin that will come out, and I discovered it right here. Where is it? Snacky Way, this one over here, and this one has just started, so it's completely new. And if you want to get access, it is also linked here in the video description, the new Snacky Way meme coin. And if you go here, the interesting thing is that they're just getting started, of course, of the pre-market phase. This is where it's going to be listed on what exchanges already, so that's already clear here based on the website. And there is a huge staking reward as well, so you can read everything about the project here. And if you're buying right now, just click here, buy tokens now, and then you can connect again your wallet and so on. When you click here, let me double check. Yeah, MetaMask I'm using, just connect to the wallet. And then you see my purchase. I bought more than 1 million here. And if you go here to staking, then you're gonna see here the pool, of course, the rewards per block, the current staking rewards, which are almost 30,000%, guys. So you can see I staked the complete 1 million that I bought, and this is my percentage in the pool share. And the ones that I earned are right now over 600,000 coins, like in less than 24 hours. So whatever amount you're putting in right now, you can see that you're getting it back basically in a few hours or days. And that means that if the coin is just launching at the same price as we are buying it right now here during the pre-market phase, we have of course very good chances here to make some nice gains. That's why if you want to check it out, you can use your card or also different chains here, Ethereum, Polygon, BNB, Arbitrum, and so on, to get on board here. And if you want to check it out, guys, use the official website link that you find here in the video description, the Snacky Way. So I bought into this one, guys, and also of course into Wall Street Ponke. This is another new meme coin that will come out here. We're gonna have also utility behind it. They are going to offer e-learning courses and also basically scam detection pools here for meme coins. So this is also going to be a big one in my opinion once it's coming out. And meanwhile, of course, also here we can buy and stake for 1,140%. So also here, if you're buying in, just connect the wallet and then you're ready to go. As you can see, I bought also here. If you're buying here and you click buy and stake for 1,100% rewards, you go here to staking and you can see that I purchased this amount of tokens, and thanks to the high staking rewards I have accumulated this amount here. And this will increase the more time this one is taking until it's coming out, which most likely will be a few weeks, few months, who knows that. But until then, I'm gonna accumulate more and more coins. And that's the good thing about those new coins. You just buy, stake, hold, and wait until launch. And then, of course, we can act once they're coming out. So check them out, guys. All links in the video description to all of them. I bought also this new Solana trading bot, Snorter. This one also is launching in the next coming weeks and months. Also here, high staking rewards. And of course, Bitcoin Hyper, this layer 2 is currently one of my favorite newest layer 2 on top of Bitcoin that I'm buying in. So check it out. It's very fun and nice, the website. And easy made. Also here, if you want to buy, use your card or crypto, just connect to the website and then you can buy in with whatever coin that you want. It's always more or less the same story, guys. Just buy and stake. Here 449% rewards. Also here you can see that I have basically the same amount back that I have invested just in rewards, and the more time this one takes to come out, the more we can accumulate. Check them out. The complete list is here in the video description, guys. And of course, if you need Ethereum, Tether, or whatever coin in order to invest into those coins, you're gonna find here the exchanges that I'm also using: Maxi Global, Bybit, Phemex, and so on. On all of them I am trading, and of course also do leverage trading for Bitcoin. Also here, just to end up here this video, guys, on Bitcoin, remember that we still have those bearish divergences on the weekly with the RSI. This is the RSI. You can see here we always have lower highs while the price action makes higher highs. And remember that many people are saying that this is bearish, but in theory we can stay during this bearish divergence all the way down here, like we did in the previous bull run, when we also had this double top here, and also here always lower highs in the RSI. And in theory, we can still continue to do that and still creating higher highs, like we did here, here, here. And this can go on and on until maybe the RSI is in oversold condition. And imagine what happens at once we are breaking out to the upside and Bitcoin is still creating those higher highs and maybe have smaller corrections. It can, of course, enter into a super cycle maybe if that happens. So don't look at it too bearish right now if you see this bearish divergence. Of course, we have to keep an eye on, especially once the RSI is then touching this resistance trend line, but I keep you updated, of course. And also the MACD is still looking good. As long as we don't have a bearish cross here, we could maybe repeat something like this. You can see that also here we had a correction. The MACD came down. It looked like that we were about to cross bearish, but then immediately we had this huge pump and we went higher than the previous high, and this can happen here again. So as long as we don't have a bearish cross here, we have still a chance to push higher here and of course create new highs for this cycle. Alright guys, that's it for now. Make sure to be subscribed on this channel. Of course, everything here in this video is no financial advice, just my own opinions, my own TA, no promises, nothing. So make sure to be subscribed. We are almost 1,000 subscribers and the winner of the giveaway still didn't contact me yet. So make sure to contact me over on Telegram. Here is also the Telegram link, and of course we're gonna do the next $100 giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. So make sure to contact me over there if you want, and yeah, then I'm gonna review that you are the real winner, and send out then the $100 worth of meme coins. I'm gonna do a video about that, of course, as well. But until then, I have to wait until he or she's contacting me, of course. And yeah, until then, have a great one, guys. Thank you for watching, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.